Dear children, heartiest welcome in the English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Dear children, today we will solve the exercise of poem, that is Mystery of the Talking Fan of your book Honeycomb. Dear children, as you know that this poem is written at the end of the chapter 6, that is Expert Detectives, in your book. We read the whole poem with full explanation in bilingual language and understand it in previous video. Today we will solve the exercise of this poem. Dear children, these are the expected learning outcomes which will be achieved by us after solving this exercise. Let's start. The exercise of this poem is written at page number 97 and 98 in your book. Let's go to first question of this exercise. Fans don't talk, but it is possible to imagine that they do. What is it? Then that sounds like the fan chatters. प्यारे बच्चों, पंखे बोलते नहीं हैं, परंतु इस बात की कल्पना की जा सकती है कि वे ऐसा करते हैं। तब वह क्या है जो पंखे की तरह चटर चटर जैसा लगता है? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज इट इज द नॉइस क्रिएटेड बाय द फैंस मोटर ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ ऑयल दैट साउंड्स लाइक द फैंस चटर. नाउ लेट्स गो टू क्वेश्चन सेकंड. Complete the following sentences. The first incomplete sentence is the chatter is electrical because dash. The answer is the chatter is electrical because the fans runs on electricity. Now second incomplete sentence is it is mysterious because dash. The answer is it is mysterious because the poet feels that fan is trying to say something, but what it is, she does not know. Now, dear children, let's go to question 3. What do you think that the talking fan was demanding? आपके विचार में बोलने वाला पंखा किस चीज की मांग कर रहा था? The answer of this question is the talking fan was demanding oil in his motor. Now, question number 4. How does an electric fan manage to throw so much air when it is switched on? जब बिजली के पंखे को चालू करने वाला बटन दबाया जाता है तो यह इतनी अधिक हवा कैसे फेंक पाता है? The answer of this question is when an electric fan rotates, the blades of the rotating fan gathers the air surrounding them and manage to throw so much air downwards in all directions. Now, last question of this exercise. Is there a talking fan in your house? क्या आपके घर में भी बोलने वाला पंखा है? Create a dialogue between the fan and a mechanic. The answer of this question is yes, there is a talking fan in my house. Perhaps it also requires oil in his motor. Dialogue between the fan and a mechanic. Fan: Hi Mr. Mechanic, how are you? Mechanic: Fine. What do you want? Fan: I need oil because I am feeling restless. Mechanic: Don't worry, I will put in some oil in your motor and then you will be quite comfortable once again. Fan: Thank you so much, Mr. Mechanic. So, dear children, these are the question and answers of this exercise. Hope that you understand all these question answers very well. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you, be happy and safe.